Let's see what's happening in the Kick 75 Point Free Kitchen.
Oh.
Logan is trying to microwave eggs.
It does not look. Oh, thanks.
You're trying to microwave eggs?
It's gross.
What have you done here? What is all over the bowl? That looks like a. Did you like try to microwave eggs in a dirty bowl?
No. I like tried to rub an avocado all around it for like lube because I didn't have any like fatty anything.
Wait. So you're trying to use avocado like a cooking oil?
You don't want
like
the
Pam?
eggs.
It's like your own personal Pam spray. Just
Yeah.
rub some avocado on there. I've never heard of that.
I don't want the eggs to stick to the bowl, so I was like.
It looks like you just went to
the.
the exorcist's house, grabbed a bowl, and then tried to cook some eggs in it.
Yes, that's what I did. That's exactly
That's
what I
really
did.
disgusting looking.
I don't know that I want to use that, but I'm gonna throw some more. Like, we'll see how long this takes.
What are you putting in there?
I'm putting tomatoes in there.
Tomatoes?
I'm gonna try to layer it up.
No, those are tomatoes.
Oh, really?
Really?
You're gonna go there?
Yeah, put in the microwave.
I cut them in half so they don't explode because I've already been there before.
All right. How many seconds?
I don't know, 30.
30 seconds, and you think that's gonna do it?
No. I'm gonna check it in a minute. I can't wait 30.
Wait. Let's wait.
Forever.
Here we go. Let's wait.
I'm seriously the world's most patient person.
Okay, you done. Wow. It's only 15 seconds. See,
this is why 10 seconds with you feels like an forever.
I get that all the time.